Hello everyone. Welcome back to Cooking in Opera, where music and food bring us together. I am Shanika John Jordan, and today we are making one of my favorite recipes, stuffed shells. Now, if you saw my earlier post, you saw this delicious pasta dish, and it's vegan. I'm walking you through how I make this easy vegan ground meat, as well as this pasta dish. If you're interested in this recipe, visit my website, cookingandopera.com, or check the description box for details. So I'm using firm tofu for this recipe, and I'm only using half of the tofu, chopping it up, and then I'm going to wash my mushrooms thoroughly and get my pasta shells cooking. And it's going to be very important to get your pasta cooking right now in this process. And now it is time for the star of the show, the ground vegan meat. I have my mushrooms, my tofu, my walnuts, my fresh garlic, olive oil, and salt. And I'm also adding fresh herbs, thyme, and rosemary. I'm using my food processor to blend these ingredients together, chopped finely, but not too fine. You want to have that nice meaty consistency. I'm also saving some of this for later. Now I have my pasta shells, which are fully cooked. I'm going to save some of that pasta water as I heat my pan to cook the ground meat. Now, as you cook the vegan ground meat, you'll see this beautiful golden brown color, and this is what you want. You're going to also add some of that pasta water to bring the flavors and the texture together. And then this is the fun part, adding the seasonings of your choice. For me, I added some chili powder, some garlic powder, some onion powder, and we're letting it cook on medium heat. And there you have it, we're good to go. When you hear that beautiful sound, that is how you know it's ready. But wait, there's more. We are making these stuffed pasta shells. So for the sauce, I have my onions cooking up with garlic. I'm gonna add the pasta sauce, which is an organic pasta sauce, very simple from the store. Some more fresh garlic. And I'm also adding some of my ground vegan meat for enhanced flavor, as well as fresh rosemary and thyme. As we let the sauce simmer on low heat, we're going to add our pasta water to bring the dish together, as well as some fresh parsley. The sauce is complete and we are ready to assemble our stuffed shells. I like to drizzle some olive oil and spread some of that pasta sauce to the bottom of the pan so it doesn't stick. Then I'm stuffing my pasta shells with the vegan meat, adding my delicious tomato sauce, my vegan cheeses, as well as some more vegan ground meat. Then I'm going to repeat the process, stuffing my pasta shells with the ground meat, adding my tomato sauce, my vegan cheeses, and we are good to go. I'm placing my pasta dish in the oven at 325 degrees until the cheese is golden brown on top, and we are ready to enjoy. Try this recipe out, let me know what you think, and thank you as always for watching Cooking in Opera. Bye. I am a singer. I sing classical music, opera, a mixture of things I like to sing. And this is my journey. This is Cooking in Opera. And I enjoy sharing food, sharing laughs, sharing music, and so much more. So thank you for watching. Continue with my journey and looking forward to another video. See you soon. Bye.